Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to display the word count on Google Docs, helping you keep track of your progress as you write. To begin, open the Google Docs document you're working on and want to see the word count for. In the top menu, click on Tools, here, and then from the drop-down menu, select Word Count. A small window will appear showing you the word count, as well as the character count and other information about your document. As you write and edit your document, the word count will automatically update in real time. This way, you can keep an eye on your progress without interruption. When you're done checking the word count, simply click Close in the word count window to continue working on your document. And that's it! You now know how to display the word count on Google Docs, helping you stay on track and reach your writing goals. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to display word count on Google Docs. See you on my next video.